Hi, I'm Olga Hawn, and I'd like to tell you about our research with Ronnie Chatterjee and Will Mitchell. Strategy scholars have long been interested in how environmental, social, and governance activities affect firms' financial performance. To get reliable answers about the causal effect, we've been using financial event studies of stock market reactions to the news about firms being added or dropped from a sustainability index. However, these studies still suffer from several empirical limitations and show mixed results. First, we still don't really know what happens to firms that stay on the index, that are neither added nor dropped. Second, we don't really know what happens to similar firms that are not on the index. Third, we still don't really know about the investor reaction over time, whether it changes or not, since previous studies had limited time frames. Fourth, we've never really been outside the United States, so we don't really know what happens to firms that are not American. Finally, there is limited control for other sources of heterogeneity that we usually observe in the regression analysis after the event study. Using investor reactions to the news about firms being added, dropped, or retained on the most and first globally representative sustainability index, the Dow Jones Sustainability Index World, from 1999, the year it was founded, until 2015, as well as 36,000 placebo events, we tried to address some of these limitations and answer the following research question. Do investors actually value sustainability? The main conclusion from our study is that, unfortunately, they seem to care very little. In fact, there is 0.2% penalty for added and stay-on firms in the event study. However, once we include controls for time, space, and firm characteristics in the regression analysis, investors do not seem to distinguish between the different events. Their reaction to placebo and actual events are not significantly different. Although the time and space effects are twice higher for the actual versus placebo events, and they matter for both. Thus, the main conclusion for researchers is that regardless of the event, do pay attention to time and space in your analysis. And for practitioners out there, when we decompose the data and analyze it over different time periods, we find that global assessments of sustainability are converging, and investors are increasingly valuing continuation on the Dow Jones Sustainability Index. This suggests that there are at least limited benefits to reliable sustainability activities. If you would like to learn more, please go ahead and download our paper. Thank you.